I cannot speak English. I feel fear. Friends, this is the topic I have chosen for my video today. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you some tips and tricks how you can get rid of this kind of issue and what is the main culprit behind this issue. So without getting any delay, let's get into the video. My name is Anu Mathur and I welcome you to my channel, Anushree English Channel. Friends, I hope you all are doing great and you are learning this language in a very great way. You know very well that we all are habituated to speaking our own language, and whenever we are talking in our language, we are never scared while speaking. But when it's come to speaking a new language, so we start getting fear. So how can we get rid of this kind of fear? Friends, speaking honestly, in my initial stage, I was also getting scared while speaking this language. But by the virtue of my regular practice, I got rid of this kind of issue. And definitely, friends, you can also get rid of this kind of issue if you start doing your regular practice. The day you start the regular practice, definitely you will say within couple of days a lot of changes. Because friends, it depends upon practice, and this is the reason and this is the solution. Practice is the reason and practice is the solution of this obstacle. Why I'm telling you? Because the moment you start doing your practice, you will see like that each and every day you are making progress in your speaking skill. Okay, and why you are lagging behind, why you can't speak this language? Because friends, you are not doing regular practice. So what I want to say you, some students, practice is the cause and reason and the solution. Okay, so let's know some tips and tricks. Friends, there are some fixed tips and tricks if you follow in your daily routine, so definitely you will get rid of this kind of issue. If you are absolute beginner, so you have to start your English learning journey from the very small step. You have to take a small step. Friends, first of all, what you need to do, like you have to practice regularly, because you know very well that practice makes a man perfect. How much devoted you are this language, okay, how much patience you have, how much dedication you have, so it depends upon those. You have to be very dedicated, you have to be very passionate, and you have to make your effort for learning this language. And anyone who speaks this language, they have really done a lot of practice to speak this language. Okay, if I talk about me, so I think like I know only a little bit of speaking English. I'm not very like fluent, or I'm not very confident how to communicate with others, how I can like make a gossip with someone in English. But sometimes I think like I'm also lagging behind. Why? Because I am struggling with vocabulary. There are very, I think, some vocabulary in my mind. That's why sometimes when I sometimes speak in English, I get stuck. So friends, that's what I spoke about me. If you are an absolute beginner and you are totally ignorant toward this language, you don't know how to speak, so you need to follow some basic tips and tricks. Okay, first one is that you have to practice regularly. Okay, when you wake up, okay, so just think in your mind that before doing anything, you have to speak something with your mouth and throat. So only 5 lines, just start speaking. If you open your eyes, so just start speaking only 5 lines, and that would be only and only in English. Okay, either speak about yourself or speak about someone, but you have to speak. Okay, you have to speak, eventually you have to speak. And the second one is that you think like how to start speaking practice. Okay, so I would say start from small. Just take a small step, like the place where you are sitting. Okay, and what are you surrounded by? Just speak in English, replace Hindi. Okay, I think if you are see a fan, so don't speak pankha, speak fan. If you are means anything like your study material or kitchen material or whatever you see with your eyes, you have to speak in English. Try to speak in English. And friends, that is the second step you have to take. And always try to listen social media, like use social media for your learning this language. Use social media. How can you use? Just listen any podcast, story, audio story, or you can watch like TV shows, English movies. Okay, and first of all, you won't be able to understand, but with the passage of time, the things will be easier for you. You will start gaining confidence. Like initially you were not able to understand anything, but gradually you are making improvement. And always keep motivating yourself, like I can, I will, because it happens to us, like when we start doing something new, and within couple of days, when we don't get result according our choice, so we get demotivated. We start thinking like we are putting a lot of effort, and in spite of that we are not getting results. So what is the use of doing this kind of thing? Never get demotivated. Always keep motivating yourself. Like if you are doing something, so definitely you will get good result. Okay, because it takes time. Nothing happens overnight. It takes time. Okay, friends. And one thing I would say, like always try to laugh at yourself, because we are always habituated to thinking about others. What will others say? Others are going to criticize us. They are going to mocking us. They think like they can think like we are not intelligent. So something like that. So just if you are making any mistake while speaking this language, I would say like start laughing at yourself. If you are laughing at yourself, so it does not matter whether someone is laughing at you or not. So always keep motivating yourself, and celebrate. Always celebrate a victory, even it is small. When you learn like any new phrases, or when you complete your topic, so always celebrate like yes, I am awesome, I'm great, I have done this one. Okay, so likewise you can speak. And friends, I think that's all. If you are following all these steps very like honestly, and if you are dedicated towards this language, so within couple of days you will start I think seeing the good result. And you will not say like I cannot speak English. Definitely you can speak English with full enthusiasm and with full confidence. So let's meet in the next video. That's what I just wanted to